Here is 5 reasons I started digital marketing. And you're going to want to listen to the first one because that is very important. The first one is passive income. So once you've purchased your program, whichever program you've decided on, you get full master resale rights and you are able to resell it for 100% profit over and over again, putting you in profit mode from the first sale onward, right? So that in itself is great. The second thing is flexibility. So with flexibility is you make your own schedule, you work whenever you want to, you can work anywhere that you want to, even when you're traveling. You are able to do as many hours or as little as you feel like doing per day on your business, because this business is fully flexible and there is no scheduled time needed. The third reason is the startup costs. To start this business, it is so much less than it would cost you to start a brick and mortar business. If you were to start a hairdressing company or a bakery, you needed so many different things that you would have to purchase, and at some point you would have to repurchase these things because of wear and tear. But with digital marketing, you purchase something one time and resell them all over again, because the first startup cost is the only thing that comes straight out of your pocket. But again, once you make a sale, that money goes right back into your pocket. So that in itself is an amazing part. Number 4, time freedom. Now, all of us are probably sick of the 9-to-5 grind that is keeping us stuck and not allowing us to move our daily schedules through the way that we want, because our schedules are defined by the workplaces that we have or by our bosses, right? So with digital marketing, you can decide to get up early in the morning, get the 2-hour workday that they speak of, that you are able to manage over time out of the way. In the first part of your morning, then you could go to the gym, you could have a coffee break, you could fetch the kids from school, you could make dinner, you can take a nap in the middle of the day, get up, do dinner and homework with the kids, and have so much free time. That is not a strenuous work day. It is a time-free day. So you can design your schedule according to you. No one else ever again decides to do that. And especially if this is a side hustle and you're keeping your 9-to-5, this means whenever you have an additional 30 minutes or whenever you're just scrolling on TikTok or any social media, you can use that to actually income earn at that very moment. So at the end of the day, time freedom is one of the best parts. And the fifth one I think is the best of all. You are your own boss. No one tells you anything. You get the startup fee, you pay in the beginning, it's your choice, right? You create your own schedule by choice. You get to work from anywhere you want to, from a coffee shop, from the beach, from the inside of your car, anywhere you want to, you get to work because you are your own boss. Never again having to answer to anybody. All you have to do is plug into the 4 or 6 minute videos that are sent you every day. Plug into the 90-day sprints that we do every 90 days. Plug in to your community and celebrate people's wins. Comment, say something, and also do your 3 pieces of content today and comment on the comments that are sent to you. Answer questions that are required of you and attend to the people that are purchasing from you. So this is the 5 reasons I chose digital marketing. And if you have not yet started, then I suggest you get started too, because there is now an amazing Black Friday special, which I will elaborate about too. So stay tuned, it's coming. So if you're ready to start to change your life, comment ready, and I would love to get this to you soon.